Hello everybody, this is Denis. I'm really excited because I've got another great painting for you today. Hey, welcome back. If you've been watching my videos or if you're here for the first time, hello. Today is another musical collaboration with the talented Canadian singer-songwriter Jordan Paul. I gotta tell you, working with Jordan has been such a joy. We've been having a great communication back and forth, and bringing his songs to life is very exciting and I love doing it. Today, Jordan wants to share with you his song, Night Moon. Jordan Paul says Night Moon is about opposite forces in the fabric of the universe are necessary for all things to exist. Jordan found his lyrical inspiration from the poetry of William Blake. I wanted to stay with Jordan's theme, so my painting today is an interpreted revisitation of William Blake's original painting called The Ancient of Days. It's a mythical representation of the creation of light and dark in our universe. Think of the Big Bang. Yeah, that's what my painting is about. Anyway, you gotta hear his song, you gotta see what I made. Here we go. Awesome. Thanks everybody for watching and for listening. Now go check out Jordan Paul and his music. His links are in the description below. If you like my videos, please share them. By clicking that like button and subscribing, you're helping me tremendously to make more videos for you in the future. I'm the artist, Denis Bouvier. See you next week. Bye.